In the shadow of compromise, a fire was lit by farmers, preachers, and men who wouldn't quit. They rose from the wreckage, no longer afraid. A party of conscience, determined and brave. Against the whip, against the trade, they stood for justice. History made no crown, no throne, no southern gold, just truth and fire and hearts grown bold. Born to stop the chains, to break the yoke apart. Forged in war and sacrifice, with freedom at the heart. We carried hope through cannon flame and thunder and in rain. The Union held because we swore we won't let slaves remain. They said the Union couldn't hold, the lines were drawn in sand. But Lincoln rose with steady hand and hope across the land. He didn't call for vengeance, just for slavery to cease. And from that stand the South withdrew, choosing war over peace. The party bore the cannon's roar, with liberty their guide. Through bloody fields and shattered homes, they never turned aside. He wrote the words that freed the chained, with pen and soul and will. But fear can twist the strongest hands when time begins to still. He held the Union firm and fast, but silenced cries of plea, suspending rights for rebels and for those who disagreed. Born to stop the chains and forge a brighter flame, but justice bent beneath the weight of holding power's name. We marched for freedom, bold and brave, but learned along the way, even noble hearts can drift when fear gets in the way. He suspended the writ of habeas corpus and left it gone for years.